One of the scariest things that happens once we graduate is we've had all this structure around us all this time. And so in college, they said in order to graduate, you have to have this class, this class, this class, this class. You go to the advisor, they say, well, you're missing this class, and sometimes it gets a little shuffled around, but regardless, we get done, we get our degree. We go through chiropractic college. We have to take this class in quarter one or try one, this one, this one, this one, this one, pull down these electives we need to, and this is how you graduate. And then you go across the stage, you've got your diploma in your hand, and the page is blank. There's no curriculum. What do I do next? Where am I going to go? How am I going to do this? What's going to happen next? I don't have a plan. Some people plan this out for me step by step by step by step. I'm going to just go do this and try and figure out this blank page for myself. It's like trying to make a map of the whole state by driving the roads and writing on a piece of paper where you're going. It's kind of daunting. So here's what we do in our office. One is we have a success curriculum for our doctors and for our interns and for our shadows. We want them to be successful, so we help them with the curriculum, which includes things like, and it's easy to find books on mindset and management, stuff like that, and get these other ideas on how to draw a map, but we want to have the curriculum. The curriculum includes acquiring new patients. Where do you get them? How do you do this? How do you get on social media and help new patients make a decision to come see you? How do you get out and talk to people? That's the first part. Second part is the exam. Once you get them in, how do you do consultation? How do you get the right information from them? You learn that in school. How do you connect with them so they want to keep coming back? What exam do you need to do? How do you do the exam? Do the x-rays? How do you make this part of your daily routine so it doesn't take 4 hours like it does in school? You can do it in 20 to 30 minutes. How do you report the findings? What do you say? What does the patient need to hear? And I'll cover that in another video so that they can make a decision and have all the information they need. Well, how do you present the financials? What kind of table talk do you do on a day-to-day basis to help them understand, to learn, go from chiropractic, I like chiropractic, I want to use chiropractic, to I get it, and I want it for the rest of my life. And that's what we do with our curriculum. So having curriculum, having a plan to go from point A to point B to point C to point D is what makes you successful really quickly. So if you want to get the map, come on over, give us a call. We'll talk about it, talk about what we do and how we do it. When you shadow our office, we'll put you with a doctor. You'll see the new patient if we have one that day, which we usually have several. You'll see the reported findings. You'll see how the office flows, and they'll contribute to your whole vision on that. So let's work on your success curriculum and get you where you want to go. I'm Dr. Lowe with Lowe Chiropractic.